We have all had a crash course in hygiene over the past 18 months, and hopefully everyone knows the importance of washing their hands. But how much do we know about hand drying? We are keen to learn which method of hand drying is preferred by the general public.
The machine with the air.
I prefer to use paper.
Lospapiertjes.
Préférence, je le fais avec le truc automatique.
Ik verkies eigenlijk papieren doekjes, maar ik gebruik meestal lucht, omdat ik denk dat het ecologischer is.
De papieren doekjes. Ja, die drogers, dat vind ik wel fijner.
Does the method of hand drying have an impact on the transmission of viruses? This is a question that Professor Mark Wilcox and his team at Leeds University and Leeds Teaching Hospitals set out to answer in their latest study. Paper towels were found to be the most hygienic hand-drying method, resulting in the lowest levels of viral transmission. Jet air dryers were revealed to spread on average 10 times more viruses from contaminated hands. The researchers also found that viruses from contaminated hands could be carried out of the washroom on clothing and find their way onto surfaces, phones and door handles some distance away.
Oh, I didn't know, but now I know. Now I will take the paper.
Vroeger deed ik een combinatie, maar nu dat je me gezegd hebt, dan denk ik wel dat het logischer is dat ik meer papier ga gebruiken vanaf nu toe, absoluut. Ja.
Ik denk dat ik daar nu wel zo over ga nadenken, dat dat wel zo wat viezer is dan.
Papier is het gemakkelijkste.
Ik wist die cijfers niet, maar ik vermoedde dat gewoon. Dus dat dat niet het ideale was. Dus voilà. Ik heb dat goed gedaan dan. Hè.
Prenant en considération ce que vous dites, oui, j'essaierai de faire attention.
So there you have it. Paper towels are not only the hand-drying method advised by experts, they are also the people's choice.